Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I am going to be creating this graphic liner look. I love a good graphic liner. It's just a couple of products, takes a minimal amount of time. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the NYX Epic Wear in black. I'm gonna give myself a guide with the liquid liner first. That way all of the lines are nice and crisp, and then I'll show you what I do from there. So I have a mirror down here that's white. I start off with a curved line, and I start in the inner corner. I pull it onto the bridge of my nose and then pull it back. And then I take a step back and make sure there's the same amount of space that it's taking up. They're going in the similar directions and that they're going to be as thick enough. I want that to go dip down, but then I want to pull it back up a little bit. I keep looking at the other side to make sure that the thickness is the same here from the lash line down to the middle of the eye, that the dip is in the same area, because it's a pretty simple liner, but all of those things make it interesting. Then where this connects, I want to make sure from the outer corner of my eye to where that starts to raise up is going to be the same on the other side. So it's about probably like a quarter of an inch to a half an inch. I'm so bad at math. I draw pictures for a living. Basically like a pinky size from where that starts to go up, if that makes sense. So I want to do the same on the other side. So I'll give myself a little marker here. They're never, I mean, if you're really good at this, it'll be perfect. I never get things perfect, but no one's gonna know. So I'll give myself a little guide. Then I'll connect it so that it's one line. Don't worry if you get it messy, because we're gonna go in with a black crayon and fix everything. Close enough. I'll make myself another line. So I wanna see where the end of the liner matches up with the end of my brow. So it goes a little bit past my brow. So I wanna make sure I'm doing the same thing over here. And I wanna create a straight line coming from the outer corner of my eye to that marker. So I make myself a little guide right here, just to give yourself something to go on. It could match up, it could not. You just gotta try. And I'm attaching it to the outer corner of my top lash line, not my bottom. And then we'll connect the outer corner to the outer corner there. When you're going in with the crayon next, you may not be able to get into that little corner, so just fill that in with the liner. We'll go in with the crayon first, and then any little bits that we couldn't reach with the crayon, then we'll go in with this again. The crayon liner that I'm using is Kill the Lights by About Face Beauty. This is really beautiful, dark, black crayon. And then you just start to fill that in. You want to get it all the way up to underneath the lash line, and as close to that guide that you can. And you want to make it nice and solid. So fill that in, get it as close as you can. You can always fill that in with the liquid liner, or you can go in and clean up with a Q-tip. There. Pretty close. That's a self-setting product. So if you find that you have more of an oilier complexion and you think it's not setting, you can always go in with a transparent powder and just set that. Now I'm going to take Lash Princess. Oh, I didn't do that inner part. Derp. The same crayon, you want to go into the waterline because you want it all to be nice and dark. Now with Lash Princess, or whatever is your favorite mascara, just load up on mascara. Top and bottom. You don't necessarily have to do the bottom, but if you have super light lashes, just go in. You only want to see black. For lip liner, I'm going to use Whirl by MAC. And I go a little bit above my natural lip line, or natural, a little bit above the lip line. And then I just smudge that. My lips naturally are a little fuller on this side and they kind of pinch in the outer corner here. So with the lip liner, I just go a a little bit further outside the lip line, and that kind of balances it for myself. These are so beautiful. These are from Clarins. They're lip comfort oils. I'll list all the products down below. I can't see this close. They smell so good. Can't put my finger on it, but it's like a really rich candy. Got hair on my lip. And that's it. So I like to keep the lip a little bit more natural since the focus is mainly on the eyeliner. What do you guys think? Is this something that you would wear? I love a good graphic liner. I think it's just so punk and so cool. And I feel like the bigger you go, your face, you wouldn't think so, but your face really can take it, and it's just such a dynamic look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will list all the products that I use in the description box below. Like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment. I love reading your comments, and let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see from me, because I'm here for you. So anything you want, I will do within reason. I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.